For removing grout haze from large kitchen tile floors, a gentle, methodical approach with the right cleaner and technique prevents damage and yields the best results. Start by mopping with clean warm water to remove loose residue, then follow with repeated damp sponging using a microfiber mop or sponge and rinsing the sponge frequently to avoid redepositing haze. If water alone does not work, choose a commercial grout haze remover formulated for your tile type and follow the manufacturer instructions exactly, applying in small sections and allowing dwell time only as recommended. Avoid acidic cleaners like vinegar or muriatic components and do not use abrasive powders or steel wool because they can etch, tile, and damage grout. For cementitious grout, alkaline neutral cleaners designed for post-installation cleanup are usually safe, while for epoxy grout, a manufacturer-approved cleaner or only water and agitation should be used. Always test any cleaner on a hidden edge or spare tile to confirm no discoloration or etching occurs and allow the test area to dry before judging results. Work in well-ventilated conditions. Use knee pads and a long-handled sponge for large areas to reduce fatigue, and finish with a clear rinse using clean water to remove any remaining cleaning agent. Common mistakes include scrubbing too aggressively and causing grout loss or surface scratching, which is avoided by using soft sponges and light pressure while letting cleaners do the work. Another issue is choosing the wrong chemistry, such as using acid on sensitive glazed or natural stone tiles, so verify tile composition first and pick a cleaner labeled safe for that material. A third frequent problem is inadequate rinsing, which leaves new residue. Prevent that by rinsing repeatedly with fresh water and changing rinse water often until no suds or film remain. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tile cleaning and post-install tasks, helping people find local professionals and ideas for tackling stains and finishes. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real experiences, product advice, and step-by-step tips so we can all learn from each other.